Hi everyone, and welcome to another Pronto webinar on MSP marketing best practices. My name's Chris and I'm the manager of the client marketing team here at Pronto Marketing. Today, we're going to dive into the impact of Google's AI search features and their impact on MSP's ability to drive qualified traffic to their website. To get started, we're going to talk about what Google's AI overview actually is. And you may have come across this already when you've made your own searches. And later on, we'll be looking at the actual impact of AI for MSPs. Lawsuits have been filed, and now is SEO really dead? Google is calling its recent AI feature AI Overviews. It's currently being tested in the EU, but it's been officially rolled out to US users. The main goal here is to combine information from ranking websites and use AI to create summaries that easily answer searchers' questions. Google is trying to help users get the information they need fast. But this is also adding to what's called zero-click searches, where users get all the information they need from Google without having to click on any websites. There are still some opportunities to get traffic here though, as Google is also citing the websites from which it gets its information. So if users want to learn more, they can browse the websites in the citations under the AI summaries. And of course, Google is still showing the regular search results further down the page. So in general, Google says that AI overviews make searching simpler by providing an AI-generated snapshot with key information and citations to related websites. Here's another example for the search term 5 reasons to hire an MSP. Google has produced 5 reasons with information taken from cited websites, including cost saving, improved expertise, proactive support, security, and scalability. What's interesting and surprising to me is not all of the websites Google has cited come from page 1. Since Google ranks what it thinks are the most useful and authoritative websites in the top 10, it's a little surprising that some of these websites are on pages 4 and 5. This may change in the future, but it could actually mean that pages not on page 1 could end up seeing a little more traffic from their blogs if Google thinks their content is useful enough to use in AI overviews. So, what impact will AI overviews actually have on traffic going to your website? In most cases, and for your important service and location pages, not much will change. Branded searches, when a searcher is searching for your company name, will see little change. Google is still going to want to connect branded searches with the company the user is searching for. Regular service pages will also see little change. Location pages, again, will see little change. Blog articles are going to be impacted the most. This is because Google's AI summaries are trying to get information to searchers faster, and this is mostly for informational searches. Google's AI can't fix servers, so Google will still want to connect customers to businesses when they are searching for a service or product. And again, your Google business profile is safe and won't see a big impact. You might be wondering why I'm talking about Google's AI and not the company that started the craze. That's because Google still dominates the market. Some users have been using ChatGPT to get answers, but Google still dominates over ChatGPT and Bing. Also, some uses of ChatGPT only really apply to AI chatbots, like copying an email into ChatGPT and asking if your tone is suitable. Okay, so what do MSPs need to know and do here? Branded searches for pages like your About Us, Careers, homepage will be unaffected. Local search is still incredibly important for MSPs, so making sure you have location pages that target cities you cover is still really important for driving potential customers to your site. When writing your blog, you should follow Google's helpful guidelines. Google wants to show trusted and helpful content in AI summaries and regular search results. So make sure you include useful stats and you're linking to credible sources. And that you're creating content that you think you would personally share if you'd read it elsewhere. Another way to make sure you're creating useful content is to write about topics for specific market segments where you can demonstrate your unique expertise. Also, having an author bio mentioning your expertise can really help make your content appear trustworthy. Even though Google is rolling out AI overviews to its users, I wouldn't be surprised if there are still some big shifts in the relationships between publishers, Google, and LLMs in the future. There are already some high-profile companies filing lawsuits against AI companies as we speak. The lawsuits are mainly focused on copyright infringement and stretches across music, images, and written content. There is a growing voice amongst publishers that they are not getting a fair deal and that AI companies are using their content without providing their business with visitors in return. As Mumsnet, the first major UK website to file a lawsuit against OpenAI, puts it, that LLMs are building models like ChatGPT to provide answers to any and all prospective questions that will mean we'll no longer need to go elsewhere for solutions. On why the use of online content for AI training poses a problem now, when Google has been crawling websites for years, Mumsnet also said there was a clear value exchange in allowing Google to access data, the resulting search traffic that comes from being indexed by Google. So, what can MSPs take away from these lawsuits? The use of AI in delivering answers to searchers could still change over the next few years as the technology and relationships between publishers mature. Content producers want fair compensation for the use of their content in training AI models, and new legal framework could be developed to address the unique challenges brought by AI companies scraping websites. OpenAI, Google, and other companies using website content to train their LLMs will have to find a balance between using content from publishers to produce AI answers and providing source websites with compensation or traffic. Okay, the age-old question, is SEO dead? No, not when it comes to searches for services and products. Google's AI can't fix servers for companies yet, so Google will want to match searches with companies that can. Local search should be a major focus for MSPs, and the latest AI summary features are having little impact on this. Blogs may see the biggest impact, but Google is still trying to do the right thing by citing the websites it uses. So you could still see some traffic going to your website even if Google provides an AI summary for that search. In general, if there's an algorithm, there will always be ways to improve your content to give you an edge over your competitors who aren't adapting to Google's changes. Thank you everyone for watching. In the comments, let us know what you think about using AI for search. Do you use any AI search tools and what are you searching? Thank you.